Hey everyone, so today we are playing with resin. So we're making some resin arts. We're here with Dream a Little Resin. So, Dream a Little Resin, right? I don't want to miss it.
Yeah, Drem.
So far. So she makes customized and personalized coasters, containers, ring dishes, pretty much anything that you could think of.
As long as there's a mold.
As long as there's a mold for it, she can make it for you. And she's really, really artistic. So look at all these pretty stuff here. And what she uses, it's called magic resin.
It's just an art and table resin. It's non-toxic. You only really need the gloves and then of course like a safe, well-ventilated open space. This resin is only two parts. It's the actual epoxy and then the hardener.
Oh, yeah,
and it's 1-to-1 mixed ratio, so it's very easy. The trick is to make sure you're doing the measurements properly and you're mixing for a long period enough of time so that you're actually making sure everything mixes properly and so that you're getting a good cure.
We're making, what is this?
A little holder.
A holder. Oh yeah, this is the shape here. But it's gonna be a different color.
So that's just a little bit of warm water. Basically just to have something, no, it doesn't matter. So it's just something to have the resin sit on the cup to warm it up, to help the bubbles rise. It's a heat gun. So that also helps with blowing the bubbles.
Oh, cool.
So that you have less impurities. So you just stir. So when you first start to stir, it's going to become cloudy. And then you just keep stirring until it's clear again and there's no more white streaks.
You just split it up into different cups for different colors?
Yeah. So this is going to be the teal. Our main color is going to be white.
And that one you're using, what's the powder called
It's called
again?
mica powder. This is the white. It's cast in resin and makes it a little bit heavier too. But you don't need a lot. Break this up.
Oh, that's cool. Do you want me to mix the
Yeah, go
teal?
ahead.
Like just use a spoon?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's
And like how much, just go at it?
Yep.
Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, so make sure you're mixing, not whipping,
Oh,
and slow so that you're not creating too many bubbles.
bubbles?
Yes.
That's true. Oh, and you have to put in the hot water?
Yep, it just helps the bubble rise. The bubbles
Oh,
rise.
Leave the spoon there?
Yeah, as long as it doesn't fall over. You cannot
Oh.
get water inside the
Yeah.
resin or else
That would be bad.
it'll ruin your project. Now we're just blowing away some of the bubbles that rose to the top. And then we'll just let it sit for a little bit.
How long do you usually let it sit for?
About 3 minutes. Just let the bubble rise, but then especially for doing we're gonna try to do a little marbled edges to this. You want it to be a little bit on the stickier end, just so it stays.
So the color stays, yeah.
So now we're just gonna drip the color on the sides to get that marbled effect. You just kind of go in and not really mix, but you kind of make the drops be a little more adhesive to the walls.
Okay, so since these are not dry yet, we have one that's ready to unmold.
This one I poured early this morning. It's an ashtray. So you just carefully peel the mold back.
Ooh, oh, that's really
it.
pretty.
How pretty that is. The marbling worked out pretty well. Looks really nice. And I love that bottom.